Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. I'm here to present this applet I just designed using the GeoGebra Classic software. The applet is all about converting a number from base 10 to any base, and also to convert from any other base to base 10. Also, you can still do switching between any base to any base apart from other base to base 10 or base 10 to other base. So I will just explain to you how this applet works. In case you like this applet, you can download it from the description of the video below. Just go to the description of this video. You will see the link where to download this applet. Just click on that link and you download the applet. Use it anytime in your classroom. Use it anytime at home. Use it to monitor how you can convert a number from one base to base 10 or base 10 to other base, just like that. Check your answer. Check your speed, accuracy, just like that, and that is all. Alright, the applet is easy to use. You can see what I have here, number in base 10. So whatever number you input here, the number is in base 10. So I have 20 here. You can see 20 in base 10. That's what I put here. Convert 20 in base 10 to base 2. So the base can be edited using this one. Just click on this. See, you can change the base to base 6, just like that. Then you can input your number. You can take 56, just like that. You can see it. You can edit it. Then if you want to change 56 in base 10 to base 3, just move the slider 3 to base 4, just like that, to base, just like that. Okay, let's just do a simple demonstration now. So 56 base 10 to base 2, the answer is going to be this. Just click on this checkbox. Answer, you see, is 111000 in base 2, just like that. So input the number 20, enter. 20 in base 10 to base 2 is 1000 in base 2, just like that. Input the number, let's say 7 in base 10 is 111 in base 2. You can hide it here. After solving and getting your answer, you can check just to compare your answers to be sure you are correct. Change the base. If it's base 3, you see it's 21 in base 3. If it's base 4, you move just like that, 13. If it's base 5, you move just like that. So this is how you change base 10 to other base using this applet, just like that. You can download it, as I said, from the description of the video. Play with it, understand it, and that is that. Then this other side, I have other base. Number in base 2 is what is here. You can change this other base using this slider. So if you move here, is base 3. You can see the question I've changed. Convert 111 in base 3 to base 10. So just keep changing this slider. So the base is changing, but it's going to base 10. Take note of that. I'm changing it to base 10. So let me see now. So if I want to change 111 in base 2 to base 10, just make sure this slider is in base 2. Then click your answer. So the answer is 7 in base 10. Just like that. Just like how 7 in base 10, the answer is 111. Also 111 in base 2 into base 10, the answer will be 7 in base 10. Just like that. So nothing so special about the applet. One beauty of this one, the difference between this particular applet I did with the previous one I did in my video, is that the previous one I didn't put this input box. So that one is not dynamic like that. You can just change it using the slider, and it's mainly whole numbers. So this one you can actually find decimal numbers. For example, if you say 14.176, this is in base 10. You want to change it to base 2, just click on this. See, the answer has come out here. And these decimal places, I programmed the software in such a way that the decimal is 5 decimal places. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 decimal places. If you want to change the decimal places, depend on what you are solving in class, just click these 3 buttons here. Go to setting. You see rounding 5 decimal. Click it. You change the decimal you want. Even significant places, depend on the decimal you want to do. But I just left it in the 5 decimal places. You can go to 2. You can go to 0. That's a whole number. Depend on what you want. So let me leave it in 5 decimal places. Then close it here. So that is that. So that's one beauty. You can actually find decimal places number, convert them from base 10 to any base. Just keep changing the slider. This is to base 3. You can check. this is to base 4. Just keep confirming just like that, and that is that. Then if you want to convert decimal also, let's say 111.101, you can, this number now is in base 2, you can change it to base 10. Just click on your answer. So this is the answer, is 7.625 in base 10. See, and if you come here, let's watch. If you click, if you impute 7.625 in base 10, so now you're expected to get 111.101 in base 2. So if I click on this, so this is the answer in base 5. It's also saying decimal, but I want it to be in base 2. Then you move it to base 2. You can see it's giving us the same thing, 11.101. So I told you I used 5 decimal places. That's why it put this extra 2 zeros. So it's actually 111.101. So these 2 extra 0 does not really matter. So if you want to change it to the 3 decimal places you want, just go to your settings and you do that there. Alright, so this is all about this applet. Nothing so special about it. Input your number you wish to change, decimal numbers, whole numbers, anyone can work for you. I have 25.0042. Okay, let's say this is a number. Let's say the number is in base 5. Just move the slider base 5. So you have changed it to base 10. So it's 14.176 in base 10. So if you now say, okay, let's change 24.042 in base 5 to a number in base, let's say in base 3. So now that you have gotten your answer in base 10, which is 14.176, just come here, impute the 14.176 here. If I say change it to base 3, then move this one 3. So this is the answer. So 24.042 in base 5 to base 3 is actually 112.01121 in base 3. Then let's see in base 5. Let me see what I will get. You can see in base 5 we got the same result. You understand the process. So it's a simple applet. Just play with it, understand it, monitor it, input any number you want, solve it, compare your answers. You will see that it's an interesting applet that you love to get, you love to use with your student in your classroom. So this is all I have for us in this video. So you can see this is question mark because I impute 6 in base 5, which you know now 6 in base 5 is not possible because the base need to be smaller. That is the number, the number here need to be smaller than the base. So that's why it gave us question mark. So you can see if I increase it, see now that I've increased it to 7, it gave a result just like that. So you get that, you get used to that. So that is all about this applet. You can play with it, use it in your classroom, use it anytime you want, and just enjoy yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. As I said earlier, go to the description of this video. You will see the link where you can download this applet and use it in your classroom. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.